In the land of misinformation, I'm the truth seeker. Cut through the lies like a blade, I'm a fact checker. Black communications, the social need to follow. Unmasking fake news, exposing them all tomorrow. I'm on a mission, fighting for the information. No room for deception, it's time for retaliation. Black communications, we set the record straight. Real news, no filters, just the facts we dedicate. Fake news spreading like an epidemic outbreak, but I won't back down, I'll be the one to make them choke. Black communications, now they're relevant until exposing all the lies. Watch them burn in hell.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, Rosa here of Splat Communications. Before we start, may we request dear followers, viewers and subscribers to please don't skip ads. This will help us a lot to continue the work that we do. Thank you. Likewise, may we request those who have not subscribed yet to please do so. Kindly make it a habit to like the videos, but more importantly, share it so you can help us in our fight against fake news, misinformation and disinformation. Senator Tolentino's escorts. MMDA escorts arrested for using PNP insignia. Authorities arrested two escorts of Senator Francis Tolentino due to the unauthorized use of Philippine National Police (PNP) insignia on their Metro Manila Development Authority (MMDA) motorcycles. On Wednesday, the two MMDA escorts were riding blinker-equipped motorcycles when the PNP Highway Patrol Group (HPG) encountered their vehicle convoy in Parañaque City. The Highway Patrol Group clarified Tolentino had no traffic violation and was authorized to have escorts. Senator Tolentino asked us if he can go, and we said yes, since our only concern was with the motorcycles because they had police markings. The two MMDA escorts were brought to HPG headquarters in Camp Crong. Even though the HPG said the MMDA riders were authorized motorcycle escorts, the unauthorized use of PNP insignia constitute usurpation of authority and illegal use of insignia. One of the escorts said he did not place the PNP stickers on his vehicle as the MMDA just assigned him to use the motorcycle. One of the MMDA men said he has been Tolentino's escort since the senator was the MMDA chairman. Tolentino was the MMDA chairman from 2010 to 2015. The senator, meanwhile, apologized for the incident and said the use of PNP stickers and its sources should be investigated. Tolentino added that his office has nothing to do with the use of the PNP insignia and that he ordered the MMDA to remove the stickers. For his part, Tolentino on Thursday said his office does not control the markings on his escorts' vehicles, helmets or accessories. In a statement, Tolentino said the recent incident involving two temporary MMDA motorcycle riders apprehended for having allegedly used commercially available PNP stickers attached to their vehicles is an internal MMDA matter. The apprehended motorcycles are property of the MMDA. This is an internal MMDA matter, Tolentino said. He said the matter should be investigated, including the source of their decals. No violation of existing laws relative to insignias was committed as the stickers were not attached to their uniforms. I want to assure the public that I supported the authorities involved in the investigation conducted, Tolentino said. The Solen said he was informed the MMDA personnel were already released from detention for lack of sufficient evidence by the Department of Justice, DOJ. According to the PNP HPG director, the motorcycle riders were duly authorized. I have asked the MMDA to immediately remove all stickers, whether decorative or even international decals, and ensure compliance with all relevant regulations moving forward, he stated. My sincerest apologies to the public, who I always strive to serve with integrity and transparency, and those concerned agencies affected, the senator added. PNP Chief Police General Romulo Francisco Marbilhas has directed the HPG to intensify the campaign against the use of unauthorized provision of motorcycle escort. Authorities are also studying the formation of a special team composed of PNP, MMDA, and Department of Transportation personnel to focus on the problem of the unauthorized use of marked vehicles and the use of motorcycle escorts to get away with traffic. Thank you so much Ferry Koi for being a channel member.
Tayo bilang mamamayang Pilipino, nararapat lamang na magtanong at magpahayag ng ating pagkadismaya sa desisyon ng Department of Justice na palayain ang mga MME escorts ni Senador Francis Tolentino na inaresto dahil sa hindi otorisadong paggamit ng insignia ng PNP. Ang pangyayaring ito ay nagdudulot ng pagkabahala at tila nagpapakita ng kakulangan ng pananagutan sa hanay ng mga may kapangyarihan. Una, nais nating malaman kung paano nagkaroon ng ganitong kalaking kapabayaan na maglagay ng mga PNP insignia sa mga motorsiklo ng MMB nang hindi ito namomonitor. Tila ba mayroong pagpapabaya sa panig ng MMB at ng ibang ahensya ng gobyerno sa pagsigurong sumusunod sa batas ang kanilang mga tauhan. Pangalawa, ang mabilisang pagpapalaya sa mga inaresto na sinasabi pang dahil sa kakulangan ng ebidensya ay tila nagpapakita ng hindi pantay na pagtrato sa batas. Kung sa ordinaryong mamamayan kaya nangyari ito, mabilis din kayang maabsuelto at mapapalaya ang mga ito. Tila may pribilehiyong nakakabit sa posisyon at impluwensya na hindi dapat ipagwalang bahala. Pangatlo, ang usapin ng integridad at transparency na binanggit ni Senador Tolentino ay dapat ding tutukan. Kung tunay na nais natin ng gobyernong may pananagutan, dapat walang puwang ang ganitong klaseng insidente. Ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno ay nararapat na maging ehemplo ng pagsunod sa batas, hindi ng paglabag dito. Habang binibigyan natin ng kredito si Senador Tolentino sa kanyang paghingi ng paumanhin at sa kanyang utos na tanggalin ang mga stickers, hindi sapat ito upang maibalik ang tiwala ng publiko. Ang masusing investigasyon at konkretong aksyon ang kailangan upang matiyak na hindi na maulit ang ganitong insidente. Higit sa lahat, ang ating panawagan ay para sa isang mas transparent at accountable na sistema kung saan ang lahat ng mga opisyal, maging sino man sila, ay hindi makakalusot sa anumang paglabag sa batas. Dapat nating tiyakin na ang hustisya ay naglilingkod sa lahat ng mamamayan, hindi lamang sa mga may kapangyarihan.
In a world unfolding, where stories come alive amidst the chaos.
Please support Splat Communication Channel memberships. For small amounts per month, you would be able to help us continue our fight against fake news and disinformation. We have 3 levels of memberships: Splat Beginner, Splat Intermediate Plus, and Super Splat. Channel members have the any or all of the following perks: Loyalty Badge, Priority Reply to Messages, Members-Only Live Chat, in-video and live video shoutouts, Early Access to Videos, Connecting to Social Media, Free and Discounted Merchandise. Hurry! Please become a channel member now. Hello everyone, welcome to Splat Communications, your channel for reliable, relevant, and accurate information regarding sports, surveys, statistics, science, politics, people, lifestyle, arts, travel, and technology.
Kanino daw napupunta ang pera?
Kay Eddie.
Sino si Eddie?
Wala ka na ba isang
Shoutouts.
argumentong maisip sa utak mo?
Fairy Coy, Rex Adventure, Sonny Doloria, Ildefonso Vico, Don Claro, I Wanna Be Free,
Meron ding
Romeo
titindig
Sansano,
sa tabi nyo.
Jackie
Para lang
Martinez,
sigurado?
Kasundo Motoglo, Irene Odado, Julian Brand, Ramon Ramos, Leonardo Manansala, Loreto Tandok, Estelita Rosal, Bokling Vicente, Bo Cap, Rob Akad, Manasis Illustrismo, Jonash Eliseo, Balwaling, Delma Bautista, Virgil Liwan, Nelson Aloroj, Randy David, Ed Soliman, Merwin Penaranda, MR Jimmy, Victory, Kurt Dimayasya, Bimber Benito, Aida Cruz, Elizabeth Vargas, Bernardo Pinera, Mercedes Labaco, Arnel Amador, Laura Micolon, Rogelio Licuan, Corenta, Sonny Boy Marbella, Hertz, Elmer Basho, Riemann, Philip Bangloy, Lorna Valencia, Aniceta Petron, Don Claro, Cliff Lucas, Eda Mastro, Maritz Ocias, Lucila Oloan, Teresita Domingo, Teresita Rosas Coson.
In the land of misinformation, I'm the truth seeker. Cut through the lies like a blade, I'm a fact checker. Black communications, the social need to follow. Unmasking fake news, exposing them all tomorrow. I'm on a mission, fighting for the information. No room for deception, it's time for retaliation. Black communications, we set the record straight. Real news, no filters, just the facts we dedicate. Fake news spreading like an epidemic outbreak, but I won't back down, I'll be the one to make them choke. Black communications, not that relevant until exposing all the